They usually do that in a port day because otherwise everyone would already be sitting there for the sea day. But it's super cute. It's one of the things I look forward to every cruise is to see all the little towel animals, and they're so talented, this crew. They even made a reindeer, which I've never seen made out of the towels, so that was pretty cute too. Cheeses and meats, along with lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. And then we have our melons and yogurts. So we have our yogurt section, peanut butter, butter, and cream cheese. You do take your butter and your cream cheese before the bagel and other things, so just remember to stock up. Alright, we have scrambled eggs, salmon Benedict this morning. There are some hard-boiled eggs. We got sausage, ham, baked beans, some hash browns, French toast, and grits. And then for the oatmeal, they have all the fixings, croissants, pastries, and then of course there is the omelet station that is separate as well. We are here in Rococo, the Lido bar. I love the theming in here. It's so cool. It's got pretty tile. This is like your Lido pool bar. And what's cute is they have like these little paintings that they've put little filters over. Like, I woke up like this. So they made them like fresh, current. They took old paintings and put little filters on them. It's pretty cute. So, good morning. We are here today in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We have not been cleared yet to go ashore, but we just had our breakfast. We went through the main buffet line and it was our basic buffet. The food was pretty good. I would say I definitely like the arepa breakfast way better, so I'm going to continue to go to Tomodoro every morning. But it was nice to have a piece of French toast. They did have an omelet bar in there, and they did have some eggs Benedict, if that's your thing. And so there was a nice spread of buffet. Joel made like a egg scramble bowl, and he really loved that. And then he took all the toppings from the Tomodoro Blue Iguana Cantina concept, and was able to put like salsa and sour cream and everything like that. So that was kind of cool. You can kind of definitely take that basic buffet and make it your own. Our plan for the day is to get off of the ship and explore Old San Juan, which is one of my favorite ports that you could possibly go to in the Caribbean. So we're going to do a walking tour guided by ourselves, and our plan is to head over to the fort, hit a couple restaurants, and do some shopping today. So we're excited. Come along with us and see what we find. Just off the ship, you have opportunity to take some pictures. Here, the Carnival celebration just docked next to us. And when you're doing a walking tour like we are, my tip is to always just follow you're gonna go to the left and you're just gonna follow the shoreline, and then you'll walk through to some of this inner city streets. But this Sheraton has been here, good morning, since I was a kid, and that's always been a large landmark. So you know when you hit the Sheraton and the Senior Frogs that you are almost to the port, but a big clue is the huge cruise ships behind you. But you just follow this shoreline here. It's the quickest way to the fort, and then you'll go wandering through the streets here. favorite thing to do is to go all the way to the left and you follow and you just find some really, really cool things this way. But I gotta show you all my favorite street. It's up here. It's one of my favorite views. You can actually see the ship from here. You get a nice breeze. Follow that road, like I said, all the way to the left. You're gonna end up where the road ends, and it's at Barrachina. Made it. It's at Barrachina. So they claim that they invented the Pina Colada by Don Ramon in 1963. They have a 60th anniversary of the Pina Colada cup for $12.95. We just got 2 Pina Coladas. Okay, so we are here at the home of the Pina Colada, drinking our Pina Coladas. Pro tip, you can get this to go. And so we got four Pina Coladas. They were $31 total for 4, which is a pretty good deal. All right, on our way out, we got our to-go. So we've acquired our to-go cups, and we are now headed onto the street, going to Castle de Morro, so we can go check out the fort, which I've never done. So I'm really excited. It is that large fort that you see if you are pulling in on a cruise ship. You'll see it from the ship as you pull in and pull out of port. We're gonna keep making our way through the streets here. We wandered and we finally found the fort. Ooh, these are not on there. Look at the water. The ocean looks so beautiful. So we are going to the Castle de Morro, and it should be about $10 a person to get in. So we'll see. Found this absolutely gorgeous fountain right before you get to El Morro. And there's like these nice shaded benches here. $10, and they are cash free, so cards only. They're open 9 to 5, and you can actually get lifetime passes here. So this is a view of the entire fort where we're gonna go check it out. So this has been here since 1539. They have a cool little gift shop. You can get some artwork of some drawings of the fort, some artwork, and some really cool nifty things. Some books, by some local authors, it looks like. This is where you can get some authentic cookbooks. That's actually really cool. If you're into Lego. This is not Lego, but a Lego knockoff, but that's cool. Little building block of the fort. What a cute little souvenir. I really like these mugs here. Those are cool. They are $25.95. So all the followers, like and subscribe. We're gonna peek through. Here we go. Oh wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. We're getting our first peek at the full fort. Wow. way. See what we can find. This fort is massive. This is the largest fort on the island here. And just standing next to this makes you feel so insignificant. The entire fort. We've been here probably a little over an hour. If you leave yourself about an hour, you could probably see the entire thing. We climbed all the stairs, we saw all the sights, we saw all the iguanas. So we are done here at the fort. Our plan is to walk through town and go get some lunch. We're headed to Raíces, one of my favorite restaurants here in Puerto Rico. And then we are going to maybe do some shopping and head back to the ship. Made it to Calle San Justo. And we're gonna take this all the way down about 5 or 6 blocks and then turn right and we should be right where we want to be. Left. I'm sorry, turn left and be right where we want to be. We're almost there. See the green now. Headed to Raíces. Made it to Raíces. So we're in here at Raíces. Alright, so we got a menu, but also if you pause your screen, you can get that menu at home right there. All right, so we got the skirt steak monfongo with rice and beans. This is the mushroom sauce that we got. And then we got some sweet plantains because those are my favorite. So we're gonna split all of this and see how it goes. So I'm going to give everything on the menu a 7 out of 7. It was so scrumptious. So for our lunch, it was $53, and we got all of those things plus a mojito and a Coke. So it was a pretty good deal, actually. We got one main entree and split it between the two of us with 2 extra sides and that extra mushroom sauce. This is where we had our scrumptious lunch. There's lots of little places here to try. I've heard that Genesis is good. We stepped into Walgreens and they have all of your souvenir needs covered here and they seem to be competitively priced. So if you need a shot glass or a fridge magnet, this is the place to go. They have everything here for you. I don't think we need anything, but if we did, this is where I probably would get it. Walgreens. All right, we are headed back to the cruise ship. This is our shipmate, the Carnival celebration. All right, we made it back to the ship. We're getting on Carnival Venezia. Here at sail away, our last sail away for this cruise. Next stop, New York City. All right, we're checking out the gelato flavor. The menu is here and it says that a single scoop is $3, which let me tell you, that is totally worth it. We have orange chocolate chip, pistachio, cherry, mint pineapple, hazelnut chocolate Nutella, and banana strawberry. So this case has some really cool desserts. They're all an upcharge, but like these look like they would be worth that. There's a chocolate layer cake. And this, look at this strawberry cheesecake. Holy cow. So we're gonna get the banana because that was amazing. And it has strawberry in it, so it's like two of my favorite things. It kind of tasted a little bit like a banana split.
Yeah.
It was super good.